morning everyone, my name is Shakun Kumari Chaudhary. Today I want to talk about a pressing issue that affects us all. We are facing a major challenge. Over the past few years, economic around the world have experienced significant disruption, and these challenges continue to shape the future of millions of people. One of the most immediate concerns in the rising inflation. In many countries, inflation levels in decades have surged to their highest levels, driven by several factors. First, the COVID-19 pandemic caused major disruption in the global supply, which slowed down production and increased the cost of goods. Then the war in Ukraine, starting in 2022, future strained global trade, especially in energy and food supplies. These combined forces have led to higher prices for basic necessities like fuel, groceries, and housing, putting immense pressure on household budgets. Central banks around the world have responded by raising interest rates to combat inflation. While this is necessary measure to stabilize prices, it also has consequences. Higher interest rate means that loans, mortgages, and credit becomes more expensive, making it harder for business and individuals to borrow money. This has slowed down economic growth, leading to fears of recession in many countries, including the US, UK, and parts of Europe. Another critical issue is income inequality. Income inequality. The gap between the rich and poor has widened during this crisis. While large corporations and wealthy individuals have managed to profit, uh, low and middle income households have borne the brunt of these economic difficulties. Rising living costs, stagnant wages, and job insecurity have made it harder for many families to make ends meet. Government must take actions to ensure that economic recovery efforts don't leave the most vulnerable behind. Finally, global supply chain disruptions continue to pose a significant challenge. The pandemic exposed just how fragile and interconnected our supply chains are. Shortage of raw materials, shipping delays, and labor shortage have become common. As we become more dependent on global crisis, uh, or global trade, this disruption highlight the need to build more resilient and sustainable systems. In conclusion, the global economy is facing a complex and multifaceted set of challenges. Rising inflation, income inequality, and supply chain disruption are putting strain on households and business alike. It is essential that government, businesses, and international organizations work together to find solutions and promote sustainable growth, reduce inequality, and ensure that we are better prepared for future crises. Thank you.